Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how you can install Atom Editor? So Atom Editor used for you can use any kind of things. Okay, so Atom Editor. So how you can do install? Just uh, just open the Chrome browser. I'll just open the incognito mode. So search in the Google Atom Editor, download. Okay, Atom Editor download. Okay, when you click on Atom Editor download, then you can see the first link. Okay, not second. Okay, see the first link. Okay, Atom Editor. I'll mention in the description, so you can download from there. So this link I'll mention in the description. So just you can click download. When you click it download, it redirect you to GitHub repository. Now you can select the setup. Okay, so we need a exe setup for Windows. Okay, so just click on Atom setup and click on download. Okay, so I've clicked on download and I've clicked on the setup and it asks me where I want to download. So I'll just select that directory and save it. It going to be download. Just wait. Okay, the setup is successfully downloaded. So let's see. Okay, so this is the setup. Just double click on it or right click on and run. Okay, so I'll just double click on it. When you double click on the setup, it will run in the background little bit. It will appear here, so you can see it appears. Atom is okay. So Atom is installed successfully. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon.